Crystal with safetyauditprep.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to manage your legal filings with your safetyauditprep.com account. So from your dashboard page, you will simply navigate to the Legal tab, and a list of tabs will appear on the top. If you click on each one, information is going to appear below. For this company snapshot, this is going to be your snapshot of your company with the information that is registered with the FMCSA. So if you click this button here that says FMCSA portal, it's going to take you to the SAFER website where you then can enter your US DOT number or your company name, and it's going to bring up your snapshot. Next is request my PIN. So you do receive a PIN number at your registration or when you register for your US DOT number. However, if it is lost or forgotten, you can request a new PIN. So if you follow these instructions and use this link here, you're going to be able to request your PIN. I do suggest you going into settings. There is a spot there for your PIN. You can keep it in there. That way you don't have to keep requesting your PIN every time you forget it. Next is your US DOT update. So if at any time your entity changes its name or address or any other details in your record, you do need to update your US DOT and operating authority record as soon as possible. So you're going to, again, click the link and then select the appropriate selection here for updating your application. Next is your US DOT biennial update. So when you first registered for your safetyauditprep.com account, you entered your DOT number. This is going to if you did enter your DOT number, it's going to auto-populate here in this section, and you can also, in your dashboard at the bottom, this is also listed there so you can view it at any time, and it's going to auto-populate your next filing date. And so it's going to send you reminders to your account as well as show up in your dashboard calendar, and so that you can file this for yourself. It is important that you get it done. You do receive a penalty if you don't submit for your biennial update. However, doing this is completely free, so you do not have to hire another company to complete this, as not only is it free, but it's actually pretty easy to do. So if you follow this link and then select this one where it says File My Biennial Update, you're just going to go through the process and be done with that. Next is your operating authority. You can enter your authority number here. If you have a copy of your authority, you can upload it by selecting Upload. I've uploaded a sample here. I'll click on it. It's going to show my authority here. And so it's saved here for me to view at any time. Any operating authority changes, again, upload any documents that you have about those changes, and then click this link, and it's going to take you to where you need to be. BOC-3 service of process agents. So this is required for interstate carriers only. So if you have a motor carrier, you are required to also have a BOC-3. And so this is a one-time federal filing, and it's going to designate legal agents, which are going to process any documents to you on the behalf. So if the government sends you any documents, legal documents, then it would go through this process server. You do need to file this one time. This is one of the few services that we provide, just to be simple for you. So you simply can press this order button. It's going to send a task. You can manage it here in your support tickets, but we're going to upload that file or that document for you. If you've already filed it, you can simply upload the document here and it will store for you to view. Your unified carrier registration. Again, this is only required for interstate carriers. So you do need to file this. Again, you do not have to go through a company to do this for you. It's a very simple process. We have the link here. So if you click it, it's going to take you directly to the Unified Carrier Registration website. So this is not a third-party company. This is directly to the source. You're going to simply enter your US DOT number. It's going to auto-populate most of the fields for you. You'll enter the rest of the fields, submit it, enter your payment information. It does vary in price depending on how many vehicles you're registering, but it will walk you through that process. And then once you have the completed document, you can upload it here. And it's going to, when you put that expiration date on any of these documents, it's going to auto track for you your expiration dates, show up in your notifications, and you'll see it on your dashboard calendar. Intrastate operating authority only applies to these specific states listed here. So if you are on this list, you may be required to have an intrastate operating authority. I suggest you just going through your state to file that. And then once you complete that, you can upload the documents here. Insurance. So this is going to give you general insurance information. If you click this FMCSA link, it's going to take you to their information about insurance filing requirements. Again, I do suggest that you talk to an insurance company and see what is going to be best for your company. Once that's done, once you have your policy, enter the name, the policy number, the date of the policy. It's going to track that date for you, any endorsements, and then you can upload the document to be there. Permits. These are a list of the primary permits. You can add other permits that would apply to your specific business. Again, expiration dates are going to be tracked. Add your permit. This link is just going to take you to information about permits for each state. So that is the end of the legal section. Again, this feature is really just for you to have an organized way to manage these things yourself. A lot of companies are spending a lot of money on paying somebody else to do it for them, when you can see here, as long as you stay organized and you have a little bit of instructions, you really can do it for yourself. So I wish you the best of luck with that, and please reach out to us if you have any questions. You can do that by going to support tickets and opening a new ticket. Send us a message and we will respond to you. Or you can always give us a call at 855-522-8348.